Support your head with your hands. We're doing 6 crunches. Breathe in. As we breathe out, we lift up. Contract your abs, lift a little bit higher, round over the ball. Let's do 5. Keeping your body weight centered. 4. Starting to feel the abs get stronger. 2 more. And the last one, stay up. We're doing 10 pulses. So squeeze the abs, lift yourself just off the ball, release. 8, 7, contract the abs strongly. 5, 4, 3, 2 more, and 1. Roll over the ball for a stretch, breathe.